welcome to our family suite in the Royal Caribbean spectrum of the Sea Ceiling from Singapore. And it's my sister's birthday, so we gave her a little surprise.
Happy birthday.
Our living area! We'll be spending 3 nights
Wow.
here. And this is the main attraction of the Ultimate Family Suite. It's a perfect timing, right?
Are we moving?
Hi ho! This is the outside
Wow.
balcony that
Are we
includes
moving?
a very large area with very gorgeous view.
Probably gonna stand
And there is a family jacuzzi here that's
Wow.
overlooking the sea, and you can enjoy this at night too, overlooking the sea with stars whatsoever, and it's connected right back into the suite. This is room number 1. Room number 1 on the first level. Come on.
Right.
So all the rooms are similar. It comes with I think this is a king size bed. Yes, king size bed. So 2 adults, 1 kid can squeeze here in the middle. So little family area, very good for your luggages, perfect size. With a very decent size wardrobe too. So your room will be neat. And there is a good sized bathroom, unlike the usual small cabin toilets that I cannot stand. And then on the first floor, you have a second family room, which is the same setting as the first one, with a king size bed, family area, TV, whatever, wardrobe, and a bathroom, shower. It's a decent toilet. This is the family area that will be hanging out a lot. There's a karaoke room, and it also has, I think, like a cinema setting with a popcorn machine.
Popcorn machine.
Popcorn machine and a Coca-Cola station. I think it's is it free? I think it's all free. Yes. Karaoke, yes. And like a little pantry where I can prepare the milk for the kids, little stuff. Oh, by the way, do not bring any food on board. They threw all my baby stuff except for bottle of fresh milk that is all sealed. That's a little kids to know. It's a powder area here. We use it to keep the strollers. It's very messy. Okay.
Wow.
Back into the family area.
Hello, Leslie.
So the ultimate family suite comes in 2 levels, and the upstairs level is where I'll be staying. Let's go. Okay, video you. Come on, let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Wow. She is very. Just in case you're wondering, does it come with balloons? No, it's just that because we have a celebration on board. My sister is having her birthday, and my brother just got married, so they're very sweet. They got us this little thing, and lots of food on the table, which we already half indulged. Very hungry, you know. Let's go upstairs. This piano floor is another level. Look. Oh my god. Let's go. Wow, this is ultimate family floor. You have right here. The kids were really interested in bunk beds. So my kids don't have bunk beds at home, and they became very interested in this bunk bed. Everybody's fighting to be on top. Okay, it's quite cute. They can put a lot of toys on top. Alright, Elsie, stop playing with your phone. Pay attention. Hi. Where are you sleeping tonight, Elsie? I'm here. She's here. Let's follow me into my room. This is really cute for the kids, like little beanies, and wow, there's even a real wardrobe here. Okay. Knock knock, who's there? Come on. Peekaboo! Welcome, children. Oh my god, hello. Wow! It's not for adults, please. This is not for adults. Shut the door. Careful, yeah, fingerly. This ultimate family suite is really big. So here again, like the other rooms downstairs, you have a king size bed and the glass door that leads to the outside area with the bathroom.
Nice.
Hi! Follow me! This crazy toilet! Look at toilet with a view!
Wow.
I'll be showering here. It's like me in the middle of the. Like, imagine.
Say, shut it.
Wow.
Let me shower now.
Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna off it. Oh my god, you can off this shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Done. So, are you happy with the tour? Because I couldn't find any proper tour online, even on YouTube. It's done by some old man, funny, messy videos. This is probably the best ultimate family suite on Spectrums of the Sea video that I will be posting on YouTube. See you later. Oh, and the price tag. Very expensive. But for 3 nights, I think because the kids are going to have a blast, it's going to be worth every cent. And ask them to use the slide a lot because I guess that's how they remember the whole experience. Going crazy with the slide.
We're jumping.
Why not? Let's go. It's about 27,000 for 3 nights. Push. Go. And if you ask me how many packs can stay in this room, every room you can stay about 2 adults and 1 kid, and then with the 2 little bunk beds you can add another 2 packs, which
With me
makes
in the
it
bunk
3 times 3 plus 2, which
Look
is
at my bum
9, 10, 11, and then some of your helpers can be sitting on the sofas downstairs. Okay, let me take the slide down, okay?
Me first.
Okay, you first.
I'm alone.
Say bye-bye.
I'm going alone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm going alone.
You wanna give me? I love you so much. But I'm gonna see you downstairs, alright?
Wait, mommy, stop.
Okay. Don't come up. Oh my god. Actually, I'm scared of the slide, but
It's okay. You're
Let's
not.
go.
I can do it. And I'm younger than you.
excuse me, Alessia, I'm coming. Excuse me.
Okay.
Daddy, come on down. Daddy. See you later. It's the Star Class card that comes with the room, and it's not a priority card, it's an all access card. So any restaurant that you go to, any coffee that you drink, and everything will be inclusive.
Wow.
Free. Oh my god, it's interesting.